Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I will reading an article from investing.com. Groveries meet from the Europe people. He want to tell us about Europe energy view US GDP revisioner. Europe's energy crisis is becoming an industrial crisis. The U.S. revised second quarter GDP figure and more up-to-date weekly jobless claims. China's government top-up in stimulus package in India is hit by new reduction to the sales guidance. Here, what you need to know in financial market. On Thursday, 25th August, forex and energy crisis warned and Europe energy crisis turning into the industrial crisis. Last week, some of the biggest zinc and aluminum smelts on the continent shut down to the higher power price this week. The latest surge in a gas price has forced fertilizer makes in Norway, the UK, and Poland to idle company unable to pass those prices on their farming customer base. Shortage on fertilizers threaten to put downwards pressure on crop yields next year, which will keep food prices higher than they would have been otherwise. Meanwhile, Europe gas price topped €300 megawatt hours earlier Thursday. At those levels, German, Europe's large economy, would have to the European level. German European large economy would have to spend over 8% its GDP to USDAI and ETS, GAS, HABIT, GERMAN, and GDP, ATAD, OUT, 0.1% gains in the second quarter, but EVA's monthly business survey confirms in track for a drop of around 0.5% in current quarter. Read the market moving news, a personality stock. To make it worse, Matter Electric Difference, EPEDF, said it would have to have been closed from maintenance this year, following squeeze on electric price. Jobless China's GDP revision due Bostic warns of possibility 75 BP hikes. The U.S. RELESE revised figure from second quarter GROWS DOMESTIC PRODUCT at the 8.3080, with analysis expecting a small upwards revision that will do little to change broad narrative of economist beings. Deliberately slowed down by tighter monetary policy and price components of the data are likewise too far in the past to the effects current outlook. Meaningfully, jobless claims reveal doubles of the more interest will be WEKLY GOBLES CLIIMS. Number, who was suffering stretch last week, supports arguments that the economy can withstand higher interest rates easily. Enough that marker. Thank you very much you're watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.